James doesn't.
This.
James isn't as surprised as he was before.
The apple juice. Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Apple juice. Apple.
Do you like apple juice?
Hey. B.
What letter's that you got there?
Do. 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 Apple.
You're so strong, James. Henry, peekaboo.
Henry.
Are you strong, Henry? Hey, Henry, are you strong? What's wrong?
Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
What?
Chores.
Pardon?
Chores.
Cheerios. Can you please show me strong? Where's the strong, Henry? Where's strong? James, you're so strong. Oh, James, aren't you strong? What is... Woo! Okay, James, it's okay. All right, you're okay. I just had a small, we just had a fall. Henry, is James strong? He falls, yeah. Are you strong? Get that out of your mouth, please. Thank you.
Jamie.
Yeah, I don't want you to choke on that. Can you show me how strong you are?
Jamie.
Yeah, Jamie. Jamie fall. He's a baby. Say hi, Jamie.
Mommy fall.
Mommy fall, Jamie fall, Henry fall.
Harry. Jamie.
Oh, baby, baby, woo, woo. Say smile. Henry, smile. Give me a big smile.
What?
Is that your box? You gonna put your letters back in the box?